Hello, my name is Jimmy and welcome to another episode of Can Family. Today I have the 2021 Mazda 6 and we're going to check if the Clek Liing as well as the Clek Foonf fits inside. So let's take a look. Alright, the back seat of the Mazda 6. As you can see, I have the base for the Liing installed already on the driver's side, and I got the Foonf installed here on the passenger side. There's two sets of lower anchors within this vehicle, one on the driver's side and one on the passenger side, and just behind these plastic covers. Super easy to get access to. In terms of upper anchors, there's three, and they're just right behind the headrests themselves. The seats, well, they definitely do fit, as you can see, and there's actually enough room for me at 5'11" to still sit in front of the Foonf as well as the Liing, so plenty of space within this cabin. But let me show you exactly how well the Liing fits inside by actually placing it inside here. While the Mazda 6 is definitely not an SUV, it's still not difficult to place the Liing inside. There's enough room with the roof line here, as well as the seat itself is low enough that the Liing just easily slides in. And that's basically it. A family sedan that certainly can family. Two seats, but not any more than that. Between the seats, there just isn't enough room for a third, but that should be about it. If you have any questions, leave them in the comment section down below, and I'll be sure to get back to you. Thanks, and have a great day.